How many are there?
A pack of them.
I have to remind you what we're up against here. A pack of alphas. All of them. Killers.
Ready for a rematch?
And if that's not enough to scare your testicles back into your stomach, try to remember that 2 of them combine bodies to form one giant alpha.
Kind of like that. We can take them. All of them? How does that even work?
I hear there's some kind of a leader. He's called Deucalion.
Thank you, Miss McCall.
You're him, aren't you?
Him?
The bad guy.
You have no idea.
Are you willing to kill innocent people?
I'll kill any living thing that gets in my way.
I know you. I know what you are. You're a fanatic.
Know me. You've never seen anything like me. I am the alpha of alphas. I am the apex of apex predators. I am death, destroyer of worlds. I am the demon wolf!
What are you doing?
This might be hard to believe, but I'm actually trying to help you.
Ooh, like brother against brother. How very American this is. Are you ready, Jennifer? Did you gather your herbs? Pray to your ancient gods and your oak trees? Slit a baby's throat, perhaps? Should we show them why you needed to sacrifice 9 innocent people just to face me? Or is it 12 now?
Kill her. Do it. Now kill her. Your parents are dying. That storm you hear, she's burying them alive. It's her connection to the Tenor currents. Kill her and it ends.
It won't end.